Yo, I'm kind of hungry.
Yeah, I could eat.
Yeah, what do you want to eat?
Low-key, I'm kind of feeling a double bacon cheeseburger.
Yo, ain't no way you just said double bacon cheeseburger, huh? You trying to go to McDonald's and get a chocolate milkshake too, huh? You fucking weak.
I'm really sorry what I didn't call you, because my dad was so pissed and he turned off my internet. Oh yeah? Internet. Actually, internet. You're fucking Russian bitch. Go to drink vodka и eat your блинчики. Putin, Vladimir.
Oh my god, bro, it's so hot! Oh my skibbity wrist, bro. Let's get something cold. You're right, let's get something cold to eat. What do you want to get? Oh, I know. Ice cream! Yo. Ain't no way, dude. Ice cream, bro. What the hell is ice cream? I'll give you my ice cream. Huh? Hey, yo, this is a nice try, Diddy. Yo, I'm edging to this so hard right now. Bro got no aura.